Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by backing up your current contacts to prevent any data loss. Save a local CSV or vCard file or sync to a cloud account. Choose one import method based on your destination app or device. Options include Google Contacts, iCloud, vCard, VCF, import, or SIM card transfer depending on device compatibility. Confirm you can sign into the destination account and that two-factor authentication is ready to verify your identity. Preparing these steps reduces error. Export contacts from the source app as a vCard, VCF, or CSV file. On Android, open contacts, choose Export to VCF and save to device storage. For Google, open contacts, Google, Com, and use import to upload the VCF file. On iPhone, use settings to enable iCloud contacts, then use iCloud, Com to import a VCF file. For SIM transfer, use the Contacts app to export to SIM, noting many SIM cards hold up to 250 contacts. After import, open the Receiving Contacts app and verify phone numbers and labels. Use the app's Merge or Deduplicate tool to combine repeated entries and remove duplicates. Ensure the receiving app has contact permissions enabled in system settings before you begin. If Cloud Sync is involved, allow up to 24 hours for changes to propagate across devices. If numbers do not match, reformat phone numbers to include the country code in international format and retry the import.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.